Hello, I got this off of Amazon and is a PTC fan heater. It comes with your instruction booklet, so you've got all the information right there. But I have it unpackaged and I plugged it in. So the button right here turns it on and subsequently turns it off as well. And you can see that the LED display is right here. The air comes out here, sucks back in from the back. It also has a cool little handle as well. And if you're needing to replace the filter or do anything like that, you'll just pop this open, and that's where you will clean it and all the things right there. So we'll get that back in there and turn it back on. So if you want the heater, so I hit oscillate. If you want to start it or stop it, you just hit the double arrow button right there. And if you want to set a timer, you just hit that button right there and just set it for whatever you're wanting the timer to be. If you're wanting, it can set for up to 12 hours. And again, in your instruction booklet, it'll walk you through how to do all of that. It does have some different modes, so I'll just go through the different modes. You've got, it was on high, so now it's on low, and you've got eco. And then that is the nighttime, so whenever you're using this at night, it doesn't have the display and it helps keep the room more dark, and then goes back to high. And if you want to turn the temperature up, you just hit the plus and it'll go all the way up to 95. And if you want to hit the temperature down, it'll go all the way to 41, and then it'll eventually pop back around up to 95. So yeah, that's what I have for the PTC. Oh, and then one other thing. It is, if it tips over or anything, it will shut off automatically. So I'll just demonstrate. So that's saying that there's an error and that eventually, shortly here, it will shut off. So let's see. Okay, so it's about 30 seconds once it realizes it's tipped over, and then it'll shut off. So obviously I'm going to pick it back up and turn it back on, and then there you go. So, oh, and then it takes about 30 seconds when it's about ready to shut off, even upright as well. So I highly recommend this for anyone looking for a fan heater.
Good afternoon. I want to show you this great little heater. It's a very small package, but it's very powerful. You can go a very broad range of temperatures, which usually I just like to keep it on the lowest and just have it pointed at me. But yeah, wow, it's still going. But yeah, very broad range of temperatures. It'll change to whatever you need it to, and still that's putting out heat even though it's set on a very low. It's got oscillation, which is very nice for how tiny it is. I didn't expect it to have that at all. It's got a timer setting where you can choose 1 to 12 hours for that automated timer. You can hit that and it will automatically count down 30 seconds, but you can always cancel that. And then you have different modes. You have low, you have eco, and you have the screen's off. Oh, it's fan mode. So you have high, low, eco, and that's fan mode. So it's supposed to just be pushing a fan around. So I really like it, and I like that it's in all black because that's how most of my furniture is. Also, if you notice, it does have, ooh, I gotta turn it off, it's too hot. You notice it's actually got the filter in the back right here, which I have no fingernails for, but super easy to get that out, and that way you can access the fan. You can put another filter in that, or at least clean it out, because that will collect a lot of dust that's coming in and going back through the fan. So I like that they give you that. Doesn't have like a help to filter, but at least you can clean out all the dust that you know that's going to collect in there. So definitely check that out, and hope you enjoy it. Stay warm this winter.
Hi, so I got this space-saving heater on Amazon. So as you can see, it's black. It has a LED screen, and then the top there is mode, minus, plus. There's time that you can hit the time button and go up to 12 hours. It's your power, and this is the rotating mode. So there's a fan in here that will blow, so you can go like high mode. It's at 95 degrees right now, and you can go to high, so it's going to blow at a high. The fan's going to blow out high, and it's at 95. You can go to like a low fan, and then there is eco if you'd like, and then you can set this, like I said, with the time. You can set it for 2 hours, or if you want to go to space for 4 hours. So this is a nice compact design, so like this will fit underneath the desk. You could have it next to your chair in your house, next to your bedroom, wherever you might have like a cold spot in your house. It's nice having this space heater that's small, compact around your house. So you can do the rotating mode, so on its base it'll rotate its axis. So it's nice that too, where you're sitting, it will be able to blow heat rotating back and around instead of constantly being in one spot. It's nice that this will rotate from here to about here. So it has a decent range on it. And then you can turn it off by just hitting that button again. And then if you don't want to be 95 and say you just want to have it 82 degrees, it's nice that you can hit the button for the minus or the plus to get to the temp you want. And it has a nice LED screen on there, as you can see, that nice big number, so you can tell, okay, it's at 82 degrees. I want to go back to high. So it's very simple to change the different modes to like a low. And then on the back side, there is a handle. So it's nice that you can give your hand and grab it. So your hand is not near any heat. So if it's on, I can even move it and have it there. And then the back, it has a cover. So if you get like lint, dust, you can take it off and clean it. And you can see that's where the intake is for where the fan is. So it does have options where this gets full of lint, dust, you can clean that out, so it keeps the fan and heater working the way it's supposed to be. So, like I said, it's very compact, very simple. It's energy efficient and nice LED screen. So, and if you want to turn it off, just hit the power button to turn it off. So, like I said, this is a great space heater for anywhere in your house, office, anywhere that you want to have just a little bit extra heat, because you, like you said, might have a cold spot. I'd highly recommend getting this one on Amazon.